Hi, this is Nancy Anthony, and I am going to take you on a tour of my ePortfolio. So to start, I have an introductory page that includes a little bit about myself. Next is my educational philosophy. Along with resources and information from this course, Children's Literature, I chose to include social emotional learning, as well as other information, lesson plans for English language arts, lesson plans, learning centers, and reflections for math, some technology resources, and my resume. I included social emotional learning because I feel it's very important as a teacher to incorporate it into the classroom every day. So I have some resources here. I included the Anchor Competencies Framework and the framework resource guide ideas that we created in this course. It's a PowerPoint where we each chose a competency and how we would include incorporating that into the classroom. I also have the hand model of the brain, some information on that, and the video of myself teaching it. So for children's literature, I chose some resources that I found important. I have the PowerPoint with the 4 categories of culturally diverse literature, as well as some information on evaluating the authenticity of children's literature. I have included all of the major assignments from this course, starting with the Children's Literature Reader Response blog, my Charlotte's Web book trailer, my family literacy backpack, which this was my favorite assignment. I enjoyed creating a family literacy backpack because it tapped into my creativity. I was able to choose quite a few things that I would include in my backpack. I liked coming up with ideas for a craft that the parents could work on with their child. And I imagine what I would want if I were a parent to receive in that backpack and what I would want to get out of it. So that was a lot of fun. This is definitely something I plan on including in my career. I have my self-selected virtual library and my virtual library field experience. I enjoyed using Google Slides and creating my own part of a Google Classroom. Because this assignment was based on a library, I kind of wanted to make my Google Classroom area look more like a library corner. So I enjoyed tapping into my creativity again and making that as well. So that concludes the tour of my ePortfolio. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.